In today's video, I'm going to show you how to animate image on CapCut PC or laptop. So first, I need to import an image. So I'm trying to import from my computer. Okay, example purpose. This is my images. So I need to drag and drop on timeline. That's it. So first keyframe I need to add here. So second keyframe I just doing here. Then again few seconds it's going. Again at keyframe. Again it few seconds going, then again smaller, then at keyframe, then again doing here, again keyframe, then again just bigger at keyframe, again bigger, again the last full skin. Okay, that's good. Now if I'm playing this video for the first, wow, you can see it's really good and attractive. It's animated right way. So this is method how you can animate image on CapCut PC. So if you found this video helpful, make sure like and subscribe the channel so you can take care. Goodbye.